You're recording?
Dude, why is
Yeah, I'm
he
recording.
singing if the caption says sing along if you find me attractive? Is he saying that he finds himself attractive? If you find yourself attractive, you don't have to make a video telling us that you find yourself attractive. Get yourself a room and go fuck yourself. There's this TikToker called
Where
Your
are
Favorite
you?
Guy who made a video called The Story of Dylan Zip. This can't be that bad, right?
Huh?
Are people born wicked?
Not yet. It's the bird.
Or do they have wickedness thrust upon them? You're green.
Welcome, new students, to Shiz University.
I
Miss
can
Azuma.
feel
You
it.
can room
Where
with
is
Mr.
the bird?
Oh, popular. I know about popular. Oh, I saved you some space, by the way.
Do you think this is fair?
I do not. I was
No?
promised the private suite. But thanks for asking.
Please, everyone take your seats. In today's house, a real source of
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh my gosh, right there.
Do you see it?
Oh yes, I see it. I see it.
Yeah.
I see. That was a unit on my habit.
Poke me.
Shut your
How
mouth.
did you do it?
Shut your mouth, baby doo doo.
Green.
Oh my god, right there.
Chris.
Not you.
Close it, close it.
Just a little bit, okay? Don't kill them.
Has been waiting.
Until they scared. Look, you see it?
It poked its head out. It poked its
How
head
I got the boot out of my shirt.
out. It poked its head out.
There is the bird.
Don't tell me.
Oh, something stuck on his nose.